Welcome to this short little video teaching you how I make my own homemade all natural white vinegar based all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to show you my process. It's very simple. This video will be very short, and I hope this helps you live a more naturally clean life. For this project you will need the main ingredient is this distilled white vinegar. I get this organic one from Whole Foods, but I don't really think it matters what you get. It's just going, you're not eating it, so it's just your cleaner. I get this one. You will need mason jars. I reuse or thrift all of my jars. So this might have been a pasta jar in the past. I think I thrifted this one for sure. And then you'll also need either a spray bottle, or we get Mountain Valley glass bottles. Any plastic water bottle that you use, whatever, will fit this spray cap. So then you'll need caps. I got these on Amazon. It was a pack of like 6. I think they had options to get up to a pack of like 15. Hell of a Green, that's the company name. They were a small business on Amazon. I'm not sure what that means, but these seem to work well so far, but I don't think it really matters. Any of these ones that twist on are going to fit a water bottle or just an all-purpose cleaner plastic bottle, or a plastic water bottle if you have one. You will need, for your mix, we're going to soak either orange. This is orange. It looks yellow in my video. This is an orange. So either orange peels, lemon peels, or I have also soaked my pine needles from my Christmas tree. So I'll go ahead and just quickly walk you through what I do and where how I get to this point with my wedges and stuff, with my lemons especially, and I'll include another tip what I do with my lemons as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's start with lemons. I'm obsessed with lemons. I'm also obsessed with vinegar. A lot of people use lemons. They drink lemon water every morning. So that's how you can get your peels, by using them in soups or whatever. You really only need the peels for this. You can use the whole lemon if you want as well. I mean, it really doesn't matter. If you just want to buy a bunch of lemons just for this purpose, then you could do that as well. Or if you have a lemon tree and you don't want to eat them, but you just want to make this cleaner, you could also just peel them. You only need the peels though. Same with oranges. My daughter loves oranges, so I save all of my orange peels and I put them in a jar. Once the jar has started to fill with the lemon or orange, so you see how this one isn't completely full of lemon and orange wedges, I put vinegar in it right away, just so the lemon and orange peels don't mold or get weird and gross. So I just fill vinegar as I go. Once this is completely full, this needs to kind of soak for up to, I would say minimum 1.5 to 2 weeks, and then however long you want it to. I don't think it matters the max time, but you just kind of, this is literally it. You just put the lemon wedges, or lemon peels, orange peels in here, fill it up with vinegar, close the lid. You can give it a shake every so often when you think about it, but you really don't need to. And then after a while, I just use a cheesecloth and a strainer, and I strain out the liquid into my bottle. And that is literally it. So I just kind of put it straight in here and I use it. I did do a huge batch with my Christmas tree. So what I did is I took clippers, I literally cut up, you could see like big sticks in here. I cut up every bit of my Christmas tree, literally every bit. I got a lot of the sappy parts. I have been soaking my pine for like over a month, and I just now emptied it, and it has filled, it has made a lot of cleaner. I think I used maybe like 6 of these 1-gallon distilled vinegars to soak all my pine, but it has made all of that in cleaner as well. And then that's a really great way to just like get more life out of your Christmas tree. But literally that's it. You don't need anything else. You just need your wedges and vinegar, and you just fill it in a mason jar and soak it for 1.5 weeks or beyond, and you have beautiful natural cleaner, and I'll show you how it works. So here's another way that I use vinegar in my daily life for regular cleaning, and this goes into the lemons, how I get so many lemon peels so quickly. But I put a cup full of vinegar in my dishwasher silverware compartment, and I just fill it up to the top of just plain vinegar. Sometimes I put the pine vinegar or lemon vinegar in there too, if I don't have lemons. But I'll just put a cup of vinegar in every dishwasher cycle. It keeps my dishwasher really clean. There's no like soap scum or hard water stains, and my glassware comes out extremely, extremely shiny. No hard water stains on it, no fogginess on the glassware. It's extremely shiny. So that is a huge thing that I've done to my dishwasher. I also put like a lemon wedge in every dishwasher cycle as well. I reuse these, so this has been in my dishwasher probably for like 3 cycles, and then once I'm done with that, once I feel like the lemon's kind of used all of its juice, then I use the peel and I put it in my mason jar, and I add it to my collection of vinegar. So I just show you, literally just do that, close it up, give it a shake, and then I'll add more vinegar if I need to, but I'll probably keep that like that right now, and then I'll let this sit until it's completely full for like 2 weeks. So I have cleaned all of my windows with just this lemon and vinegar cleaner, inside and out, and I mean, you can't really tell in a video about windows, but I mean, there's no streaks or anything. I did like a really lazy job. So this is great for windows. I clean my counters. I have white countertops. I clean those. I clean my glass stovetop with it. I'm actually going to show you because I'm going to make hamburgers right now. This is going to get covered in splatter and grease. This is just going to be covered. It's going to be so dirty and gross. And so I'm going to show you how well this cleaner cleans my glass stovetop. Yeah, I literally use this for everything. I don't have any other cleaning products in my home. I use it for my bathroom. I use it for my bathtub. I use it for literally everything. I'm going to quickly show you how I just strain my pine using the cheesecloth and just show you the color that it is. I thought it's great, like every year you could do this with your Christmas tree and just have enough cleaner to last you until the next Christmas. So, I don't know, I think this is a great use of your Christmas tree. Let me know if you try it. Well, there you have it. This is my cleaning routine. I have all my cleaners down here. Again, I put all the extras in these Mountain Valley waters that I'll just start switching over to and using from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some tips to kind of minimize your cleaning routine, because it really doesn't need to be that complicated. You don't need a floor cleaner, a sink cleaner, a window cleaner. We just need simple ingredients, less waste, less everything. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, giving new life to things and recirculating energy and recycling. So leave me a comment if you tried this out. I'll see you soon.